Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate HubSpot tasks for sales reps. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, log into your HubSpot account. Once you're in, navigate to the sales dashboard. Look for the tasks section on the left sidebar. Click on tasks to open the tasks overview page. In the tasks overview, locate the create task button at the top right corner. Click on create task to open the task creation window. Fill in the task title with a clear, descriptive name. Next, set the due date for your task using the calendar picker. Assign the task to a specific sales rep by selecting their name from the drop-down menu. You can also add additional details in the notes section for context. If necessary, set a priority level for the task. Once you've filled in all the details, click on Save to create the task. The new task will now appear in the tasks list for the assigned sales rep. To view or manage tasks, return to the tasks overview page. Remember, sales reps can filter tasks by due date, priority, or status. To mark a task as complete, simply check the box next to it. If you need to edit a task, click on the task name to open it, make your changes, and then save. This is how you activate and manage HubSpot tasks for sales reps effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.